Asam Pedas Kepala Ikan. Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook Asam Pedas Kepala Ikan or fish head sour curry. Today I'm cooking white snapper, so the fish is too big, so I'm just using the head and also some of the body part. And these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using for this recipe. It looks like a lot because I'm going to blend some of the ingredients to make a curry paste, and some of the ingredients I'll be using for the curry. I will list out the full list of the ingredients in the description box down below this video. You can look out for that, what's go into the blender and what's go into the curry. If you can hear the rain outside, it's very cozy evening. Cooking asam pedas in the cozy evening, it's very nice, right? I like to start off with marinating the fish first. The fish is so huge, so I'm going to use some salt from here. Sprinkle the salt on the fish. By the way, this fish I wash with salt. I use salt to wash with the fish just to make sure that we get rid of some of the fishy smell. For the 3 stalks of lemongrass, I just cut into slices, quite big slices, and I'm going to put them inside the fish stomach. Okay, then we're going to put it aside. Next, I'm going to blend the curry paste. So I'm going to put in all the chilli and all of the shallots, all of the garlic. We put everything inside. Ginger and turmeric, shrimp paste, tamarind water to help in blending. It's not enough water, I'm just going to add in a bit more water. And then we can go and blend it. Okay, within seconds, all the ingredients become so fine. Okay, I have a steaming pot here, and I'm going to put in the fish. Put in the fish, and we are going to steam for about 20 minutes because the fish is quite big, so the steaming time is taking slightly longer. When the fish is about 80% cooked, and we're going to put in the curry and the vegetable. Meanwhile, we're going to cook the curry paste. So I'm going to put in about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. When the oil is hot, I'm pouring in the chili paste that we blend just now. I'm going to cook this chili paste until it releases a very nice aroma and a bit dry. It will take about 3 to 5 minutes. You see, so the mixture is a bit dry, and I'm putting in the asam keping, putting in the fish sauce, sugar, for the bunga kantan, I cut it into quarter like that, so I'm just going to fry in. Going to put in a little bit of water, about half a cup of water. We'll bring it to boil, and now I can taste it. Nice. Enough sour, enough salty, enough sweet. So the curry is done, and I'm going to switch off the heat and going to put it aside. Let's go and look at the fish. I've been steaming, the fish has been steaming for about 10 minutes. Look at that. Wow, very nice aroma of the lemongrass. You can see the water that come out from the fish. I'm going to remove this water first because when we steam the fish has released water and the juice, and it's quite fishy. So I'm going to remove this water first from the fish. So the fishy water is gone, and now we're going to put in the okra vegetable, tomato cut into smaller pieces, daun kesom, and I'm going to pour over the sauce that we made just now. Right, then I'm going to continue to steam for another 10 minutes. Alright, it's cooked. This type of dish, right, it's best to serve immediately after we cook. So I'm going to take out and then can go and have dinner. Look at that. Wow. I cannot even see my fish head now. It's too heavy. I'm worried that this thing might drop, slip out from my hand. Okay. Put it here. So since this is a lot, I'm going to just take out the fish head and serve. Asam Pedas Kepala Ikan. This is guaranteed delicious. I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends. And remember to subscribe for more of my variety cooking like this. Thank you and bye-bye.